Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a profile on Amazon Alexa using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on the three horizontal line, then tap on Settings. Next, tap your profile and you will now see a list of profiles linked to your Alexa account. Tap on the profile you want to delete. Scroll down until you see remove profile or delete profile. Tap on it. A message will appear asking you to confirm. Tap delete or confirm. Wait a few seconds and that's it. The profile has been deleted. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.